Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change cursor blink rate on Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to change cursor blink rate on Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly click on start. After scroll down, click on Windows System. After click on Control Panel, and here click Ease of Access. Keyboard settings, that is cursor blink rate. If you want to change, none. If you want to fast, after click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to change cursor blink rate on Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.